Transform your dull space into a vibrant masterpiece. Statement ceilings are rapidly becoming the focal point of any space. For too long, ceilings have been neglected, forgotten expanses of white. They are often seen as merely functional, a blank canvas above our heads. But what if we told you that your ceiling could be so much more? What if it could be the defining feature of your room, a conversation starter, a work of art? It's time to embrace the often overlooked fifth wall and discover its potential to transform your home. With a little imagination and some inspiration, you can turn your ceiling from a forgotten surface into a show-stopping design element. Get ready to be inspired to reimagine your ceilings and unlock a world of design possibilities. Let's begin our design journey by exploring why statement ceilings are becoming increasingly popular and how they can dramatically elevate the ambiance of your living spaces. From subtle elegance to bold statements, there is a world of design possibilities waiting to be explored. Get ready to be inspired to rethink the possibilities and to transform your ceilings from forgotten surfaces into captivating focal points. Let's dive into the world of statement ceilings and discover how you can make yours the star of the show. Why are statement ceilings gaining so much popularity? The answer is simple. They have the power to transform. They can take a room from ordinary to extraordinary, adding depth, character, and a touch of drama. Imagine walking into a room where your gaze is immediately drawn upwards, captivated by an unexpected splash of color, an intricate pattern, or a unique texture. That's the magic of a statement ceiling. It's not just a surface, it's an experience. And the best part? There are endless ways to create one. Whether you prefer a bold and dramatic look or something more subtle and sophisticated, there's a statement ceiling out there for you. In fact, studies show that 70% of homeowners are now opting for bolder and more creative ceiling designs, moving away from the traditional plain white. They are embracing color, pattern, and texture, using their ceilings as a canvas to express their personal style. So, if you're looking for a way to add some wow factor to your home, look no further than your ceiling. It's time to unleash its potential and make it the star of the show. The beauty of statement ceilings lies in their versatility. No matter your style, there's a ceiling design that can perfectly complement your taste and enhance your space. Are you drawn to classic elegance? Consider a coffered ceiling with its recessed panels and intricate moldings. This timeless design adds a touch of sophistication and grandeur to any room. For a more modern and minimalist aesthetic, explore geometric patterns using paint or wallpaper. Bold stripes, intricate tessellations, or even a simple accent wall extending onto the ceiling can create a striking visual impact. If you crave a cozy and inviting ambiance, consider wooden beams or planks. They add warmth, texture, and a touch of rustic charm, especially when paired with exposed brick walls or vintage furniture. Remember, your ceiling is your canvas. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and materials until you find the perfect look for your home. Did you know that your ceiling can play a crucial role in how spacious your room feels? Strategic design choices can visually expand your space, making it feel larger and more inviting. One effective technique is to use light colors on your ceiling, especially in smaller rooms. Lighter hues reflect more light, creating an illusion of openness and airiness. Conversely, darker colors can make a room feel smaller, but they can also add a sense of intimacy and drama when used strategically. Another powerful tool in your design arsenal is the use of mirrors. Mirrors are masters of illusion, reflecting light and creating a sense of depth. Consider incorporating a mirrored ceiling or strategically placed mirror accents to amplify natural light and visually expand your space. By understanding how color, light, and reflection interact, you can use your ceiling to manipulate perception and create a sense of spaciousness, even in the most compact rooms. Section 5. Material World, exploring your design palette. When it comes to statement ceilings, the sky's the limit. A wide array of materials can be used to create stunning visual effects and reflect your personal style. Wallpaper is an excellent option for adding pattern, color, and texture to your ceiling. From bold geometric prints to delicate florals, the design possibilities are endless. Plus, wallpaper is, relatively easy to install and remove, making it a great option for renters or those who like to change things up frequently. If you prefer a more traditional look, consider paint. With countless colors and finishes to choose from, you can create a truly unique statement. For a touch of elegance, opt for a high-gloss finish that will reflect light and add a touch of glamour. For a more rustic or industrial feel, explore exposed beams or reclaimed wood planks. The natural grain and texture of wood add warmth and character to any space. Don't be afraid to mix and match materials to create a truly unique and personalized look. The key is to choose materials that complement your style and the overall design of your home. Section 6. Illuminating your vision, light, and your ceiling. Lighting plays a crucial role in how we perceive and experience a space, and it's especially important when it comes to statement ceilings. The right lighting can enhance the colors, textures, and patterns, bringing your ceiling to life. When planning your lighting, consider the mood you want to create. For a cozy and intimate atmosphere, opt for warm, diffused lighting. Recessed lighting or strategically placed wall sconces can create a soft and inviting glow. If you want to make a bold statement, consider a dramatic chandelier or pendant light. These eye-catching fixtures can serve as a focal point and add a touch of glamour to any room. Remember to also consider natural light. Skylights or large windows can flood your space with natural light, making your ceiling appear higher and more open. By strategically combining natural and artificial light, you can create a dynamic and inviting ambiance that showcases your statement ceiling in its best light. Section 7. The price of extraordinary budgeting for your dream ceiling. Now that you're brimming with inspiration for your statement ceiling, let's talk about the practical side, the budget. The cost of transforming your ceiling can vary greatly depending on the materials you choose, the complexity of the design, and whether you hire a professional or opt for a do-it-yourself approach. On average, you can expect to spend around $2 to $5 per square foot for basic ceiling upgrades like painting or wallpapering. However, if you're considering more elaborate designs like coffered ceilings, intricate moldings, or high-end finishes, the cost can increase to $10 to $20 per square foot or more. For those on a tighter budget, there are still plenty of ways to create a stunning statement ceiling without breaking the bank. DIY projects like painting a geometric pattern or adding molding accents can be a cost-effective way to transform your space. Another budget-friendly option is to focus on a smaller area, like creating an accent ceiling over your dining table or bed. Remember, the most important factor is to choose a design that reflects your style and budget. With a little creativity and planning, you can create a stunning statement ceiling that won't break the bank. Section 8. Do it yourself or call in the pros. The decision of whether to tackle your ceiling transformation as a do-it-yourself project or enlist the help of professionals depends on your comfort level, skills, and the complexity of your chosen design. Simple projects like painting or wallpapering can be easily managed by DIY enthusiasts with a bit of patience and the right tools. However, more intricate designs involving electrical work, structural changes, or specialized finishes are best left to the professionals. Hiring experienced contractors ensures that the job is done safely, correctly, and to your exact specifications. If you decide to go the DIY route, be sure to do your research, gather the necessary tools and materials, and take all necessary safety precautions. Don't hesitate to seek advice from experienced friends, family, or even online communities dedicated to home improvement. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Whether you choose to embrace your inner DIYer or entrust your vision to the experts, transforming your ceiling is a rewarding endeavor that will undoubtedly enhance your living space. Section 9. Conclusion, reach for the stars. As we've explored, ceilings are no longer just a blank canvas. They are an opportunity to make a statement, to infuse your personality into your home, and to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. From subtle elegance to bold and dramatic, the design possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. So, embrace the potential of your fifth wall. Experiment with colors, patterns, textures, and materials. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and let your creativity soar. Remember, your ceiling is an extension of your personal style, a reflection of your unique taste and vision. Whether you opt for a DIY approach or enlist the help of professionals, the journey of transforming your ceiling is an exciting one. So, go ahead, reach for the stars, and let your ceiling become the show-stopping centerpiece it deserves to be. Your dream home awaits, and it all starts with a simple glance upwards.